Did you know a surfer once fought off a great white shark on live TV with just his bare hands? July 19, 2015, Mick Fanning was competing in the final of the J-Bay Open in South Africa. Millions watched around the world. Suddenly, a massive fin appeared behind him. A great white shark, over 10 feet long, was heading straight for his surfboard. In that split second, Mick made the decision that saved his life. Instead of freezing or trying to swim away, he turned toward the shark and started punching it. The shark grabbed his board and thrashed violently. Mick kept hitting it while trying to stay on top of the water. He screamed for help as the beast pulled him under. Then, something incredible happened. The shark let go and disappeared into the deep. Rescue boats reached Mick within seconds. He was completely unharmed, just his board destroyed. Later, experts said his quick thinking was perfect. Fighting back confused the shark and made it retreat. Sometimes the best defense is a good offense, even against nature's deadliest predator.